Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So, in our last video, we finished exercise 2.2 till question number 1, question number 2. So, let me start from question number 3. So, question number 3 says that multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert it into the mixed fraction. So, first of all, we have to multiply, and if anything from numerator and denominator, we can cut anything. So we can cut and convert it into the simplest form or lowest form, and then if the fraction is improper, so we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. So friends, let me start. So first of all, our first sum, 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So friends, we know that in the 7 is a numerator, 3 is also numerator, and here 5 is our denominator. So now 7 and 5, we cannot cut them. Okay, so directly we just do the multiplication of the numerator. Say like 7 3s are 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21. So we can write like this: 21 upon 5. Okay, so direct I just multiply the numerator 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21 upon 5. Now friends, it is a improper fraction. So convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let me convert it. How can we convert? We can convert it by division, or also we can convert direct. 21 divided by 4. Sorry, 5. Okay, friends, we know that 5 4s are 20. So 1 minus 0, 1. So friends, this one goes to upside, means ये आएगा ऊपर. This 5 goes to downside, 1 जाएगा ऊपर, means यहाँ पे 5 जाएगा नीचे, means यहाँ पे, और this 4 come over here. So this is the mixed fraction. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Now sum number 2. 4 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So friends, we cannot cut 3 and 4. Both are not coming in any common table. So directly just a multiplication of both numerator. 4 1s are 4 upon 3. Now डायरेक्टली कैसे हम उसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कर सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स? सो 3 का टेबल बोलो, बट वो 4 से आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. सो 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, तो 6 तो 4 से आगे चला गया. ओके, सो 3 1 जा 3, सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन लाइक 3 1 जा. सो फ्रेंड्स, 3 1 जा 3, 3 में कितना ऐड करें तो 4 आंसर आएगा, तो 1 ऐड करें तो 4 आंसर आएगा. 3 1 जा 3 प्लस 1. So here we have to write down 1. 3 1 जा 3, 3 plus 1 4. 3 1 जा 3, 3 plus 1 4. तो यहाँ पे 4 आ गया हमारा. So ऐसे हम डायरेक्ट भी उसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Now let me see question number 6. 5 upon 2 multiplied by 6. Now friends, we can cut these both numbers because it is a 2 and here it is a 6. So friends, 6 2 3s are 6, right? And 2 1s are 2. So friends, here we can write 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, ये मैंने डायरेक्ट कट कर दिया, और हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 2 का टेबल है तो हम 2 का टेबल ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. 2 1s are, and in place of 6 we can write 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 को कट करके मैंने 2 1s are किया, और in place of 6 को कट करके मैंने लिखा 2 3s are. From this board 2 2 cut. So नीचे only 1 is remaining. There is no value of 1 in the denominator. So outside only 3 is remaining, and here 5. So 5 3s are 15. So denominator 1 is there. So no need to write down the denominator. If the denominator is 1, so there is no value of 1 in the denominator. So we can also only write 15. So this is answer 15. So friends, now question number 8. So question number 8. 20 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So 5 and 4. Yes, 5 4s are 20 friends. 5 4s are 20. So 5, in place of 5 I can write 5 1 is 5, or in place of 10t I can write 5 4 is 20. So from this both 5 will be cut. In the denominator only 1 remaining, there is no value of 1. So upside 4 and 4. So 4 4 is 16. So 16 is our answer. Okay friends. Now question number 10. 15 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So 5 and 15. So we know that 5 3s are 15. So direct also we can cut 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. ऐसे भी हम कट कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट. So answer will be 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So our answer is 9. So this way we can solve the we can also do the multiplication of the factors and we can convert it into the lowest form. और अगर improper fraction आता है means अगर numerator बड़ा आता है, if the numerator is bigger, so we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction either by division or directly we can convert it. अगर आपको direct आता है तो direct भी आप convert कर सकते हैं, और अगर आपको direct नहीं आता है तो with the help of division you can also convert the mixed fraction. Okay. So now here friends, I just solved 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions. I just solved 5 questions, but in this question number 2, question number 3, total 10 questions are there, but remaining all questions are of the same type. Okay, so this all question you have to solve by yourself. So finish this all question and send me the photographs. So friends, now question number 4 is that shade. We have to shade the 1 by 2 of the circles in a box A. So in box A, total circles, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total 12 circles are there. So from this 12, 1 by 2 of 12. So 1 by 2 multiply by 12. We have to shade this. So we can cut it. Yes, we can cut it. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Friends, 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. So 6 boxes we have to shade. So use just 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so this way, this is our answer. Now next, 2 upon 3 of the triangle in the boxes. In this triangle, total 9 triangles are there. In this box, 9 triangles are there. So 2 by 3 of the total triangle. So 2 upon 3 multiply by 9. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and so this 3 is in numerator and this 2 is in numerator. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 triangles. Shade. We have to shade the 6 triangles. Now next, 3 upon 5 of total square. So here friends, 1 2 3 4 5. So one row is of 5 rectangles. So 5 3s are 15. There are 3 rows. So total 15 rectangles are there. So from this 15 rectangle, 3 upon 5 of 15. So 3 upon 5 of 15. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So upside what is remaining? Upside in the numerator, 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 rectangles we have to shade. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this way we can from this activity they want to just explain us how to do the multiplication of the factor with a whole number. Okay friends, means how to cut, how to do the multiplication and how can we get the answer. So here question number 4 is over. Friends, question number 5. So in question number 5, total 4 questions are there. A, B, C, D. All are same, but from these 4, just I will solve 2 questions on the board and 2 questions you have to solve by yourself. So let me solve question number A. So question number A, 1 upon 2 of means multiply. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 24, you just find out, and then again 1 upon 2 of 46. These 2 we have to find. So let me find first one, 1 upon 2 of. So 1 upon 2 of 24. Of का meaning multiplication 24. So friends, 24 is already divisible by 2. Okay, 2 के टेबल में 24 आता है, but कहाँ आता है? That we don't have idea. Means with which number we can divide 24. So just simply what you have to do, you just do 24 divided by 2. In your rough work, in your rough work, you can do this. 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 0, and from outside 4 is downside. So 2 2s are 4. So 12 2s are 24, friends. So 2 1s are 2 and 12 2s are 24. So our answer will be 1 1 only 12. So our answer is 12. Okay. Now our next question, 46. So 1 upon 2 of 46. So 2 number multiply by 46. Now let me do 46 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 23 2s are 46. So 2 1s are 2, 2 23s are 46. So answer is 23. So friend, this way we can solve the multiplication of the fraction. Very easy. Now let me see B number, 2 upon 3 of 18. So friends, 3 6s are 18. We know that. So 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. Okay. Now in the denominator only 1 is left, and in the numerator 2 multiply by 6. So 2 6s are 12. So 12 is our answer. 2 upon 3 of 27. So friends, in 3's table 27, 3 9s are 27. So we can directly cut 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. And outside 2 multiplied by 9, 2 9s are 18. So answer is 18. So this way we can do the multiplication of the fraction. So remaining two sums, C and D, you have to do it by yourself.